Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your American Express online account, complete guide step by step clear. To restore your American Express online account, start by visiting the American Express website. Look for the sign in option on the home page. Click on sign in to access the login page. On the login page, locate the forgot user ID or password link. Click on this link to begin the account recovery process. You will be redirected to a new page asking for your personal information. Enter your American Express card number or account number. Next, provide your billing zip code. After entering the required information, click on Continue. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. American Express may ask for additional information or send a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the provided field. If you are trying to recover your password, you will then be prompted to create a new one. Choose a strong password that meets the website's security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it again. After resetting your password, you can log in using your new credentials. If you have forgotten your user ID, follow the same steps until prompted. This time, select the option for recovering your user ID. Follow the prompts to receive your user ID through email or text message. Once you have your user ID, return to the login page. Enter your user ID and new password to access your account. If you encounter further issues, contact American Express customer service for assistance. Provide any requested details to help them resolve your issue. After successfully restoring your account, consider updating your account settings for added security. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. This will ensure the safety of your personal information and financial details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.